This video answers the question how to buy shares of Caixabank and walks through the practical steps. Caixabank is a major Spanish bank listed on CBOE EU under the ticker CABK.MC. This is educational content and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker account, and here I use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you will need to verify your account, usually by uploading an identity document, and add funds to your account before buying. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker CABK.MC to find the listing. Make sure you select the correct Caixabank entry from the search results. On the asset page, you will see basic company information and a price chart for CABK.MC. Confirm the listing matches Caixabank on CBOE EU to ensure it is the correct stock. To place an order, click Invest, enter the amount you want to buy, and review the order details before confirming. If the market is closed, you can schedule the order, or it will execute when the market opens. And if you lack funds, the platform will prompt you to add them before final confirmation. Once executed, your Caixabank position will appear in your portfolio for monitoring. For the example platform link, check the description below.